Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. 10 phrasal verbs with put. Put on, meaning to wear something like clothes, glasses, makeup. Example, you should put on your new dress. Another meaning, to gain weight. She has put on weight. Put off, meaning to postpone or delay. Example, don't put off what you can do it today. Put up, meaning to increase the price. Example, the government has put petroleum price up. Put down, meaning to write something. Example, he put down the address. Another meaning is to stop carrying something. Example, he put the heavy box down. Put in, meaning to invest time or effort. She puts her heart in for her children. Put out, to extinguish fire. Example, the firefighters managed to put the fire out. Put away, meaning to put something in its usual or proper place. Please put that trash bin away. Put back, to return something to its original place. When I finished reading, I put the book back. Put across, meaning to communicate or explain something clearly. The teacher put across the concepts clearly. Put aside, to save money. Example, I am putting aside some money for a vacation. Thank you for watching and listening. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.